behalf of Beaufort County School District, we are excited to collaborate and partner with Beaufort Memorial Hospital. They are really providing an innovative approach to workforce development. We have several high school students that have been in our healthcare classes that are now able to work toward a certified medical assistant or a patient care technician certification.
We're excited to be here today because we are celebrating the sponsorship and the Go Forward project of the PATH program within the high school. We just announced and handed over to the district some sponsorship dollars for implementing the PATH program within the high schools. And really what we've tried to do is launch a dual enrollment program for certified medical assistants and patient care technologists for seniors that are looking to get into the healthcare field. And really the purpose of this is for people to explore options in healthcare, grow in healthcare, and not that they have to stop there, but man, what a jump start to a healthcare career by coming out as a high school senior graduating with your certificate in medical assisting or patient care technology.
We have opportunities for our students to actually come on campus to Beaufort Memorial and partake of not only their professionals that provide the training, but also with some very high-end mannequins and equipment. They'll also have an opportunity to put real-world experience by doing some clinical rotations.
I want to take the patient care tech route because I really wanted to work at Beaufort Memorial, and it's my dream to do this program, and it's a really good opportunity that I was able to do it in high school.
Yes, that's all right.
I want to be an RN and maybe a doctor later on, so this is preparing me because I'm shown like different skills I'm going to be doing on my everyday tasks when I do rounds around the hospital. So I think it's good practice to take right now.
The pathway I'm going to is to become a medical assistant, and the reason I chose it is because I want to learn how to be in an office, taking vital signs, all the basics.
I decided to go into the patient care technician pathway. I decided this because I think it's the best pathway for me to take since I do want to become a registered nurse in the future.
I'm trying to go to nursing school right now. I'm thinking either labor and delivery or NICU, but however, I do have an alternative plan if I decide not to do that about occupational therapy, specializing in pediatrics.
We have a growing need in our community for various healthcare professionals, and we thought it was a great opportunity through our Rising Star program and seeing the interest that high school students have in healthcare to give them the opportunity to graduate out of high school, being able to enter right into the healthcare workforce.
We want people to be interested in healthcare. We want them to understand that there are multiple career paths within healthcare, and ultimately we think this is a jump start to that healthcare career. And if they're from Beaufort and they want to stay in Beaufort, that's important to us because we want them to be a part of Beaufort Memorial. We are the community's hospital, and we need the workforce to stay here in Beaufort because we're a growing community. As a growing community, the needs of healthcare continue to grow. It's important that we keep people local here to do that.
What these students are learning, they're going to be able to move into a career, jump start, and be able to ultimately thrive within the healthcare fields.
As I'm starting this career in the patient care technician pathway, I feel very excited, but most importantly, very grateful to have been given this opportunity by Beaufort Memorial and Beaufort County School District because this is a way I can jumpstart my career. For when I get out of high school, I won't have to necessarily enter as an entry level, but instead I can go and work on hands within my scope and help patients.
I've met already so many people. I've met a whole community of PCTs and doctors and nurses. Honestly, helped me get my feet wet, and I think that's one of the coolest things ever.
I think it's a really good opportunity because you can skip the entry level part and get certified while you're in high school instead of taking the entry level portion and taking a little bit longer to get your certification. So I think everyone should take advantage of it. It's a really good opportunity.
I believe that anyone who wants to be in the healthcare field should definitely take this opportunity and definitely try it out because it gives you a head start in the medical field, and you can just find out what you like, what you don't like about the healthcare field.
Seeing the passion that they have, they're actually excited about being here. They're excited to learn. They're excited when they're using our simulation lab, and some of them are interested in going into nursing school right after this. So we're excited to help them along that journey.
Overall, it's an excellent experience for young people who know they want to move into the healthcare profession, but this also gives them an opportunity to see how things work within a healthcare organization.
I'm ready for you to take my vital signs.